Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis Autosports. You're viewing a beautiful DAS Stage 2 Cherokee XJ. The Jeep itself, chassis-wise, has only 65,000 original and documented miles. However, we've done a ton of restoration work over the course of the last 2 years. It was just recently in our shop, as little as 3 months ago, getting additional work done. So make sure to go to our website, davisautosports.com, to get a full breakdown of the different scopes of work that has been done on this Jeep at different durations and different mileage. But this thing has just about everything over that time period has been replaced, upgraded. We've done a ton of exterior paint work on it. Obviously everything you see up front, bumper, winch, light bar, full Kevlar package all the way around. New wheels, new tires, new Fox suspension, JKS components, control arms are fully adjustable, moss green pearl paint. We did a ton of paint work and body work to it, as you see, absolutely beautiful. Kevlar package on the front grille, flares, rockers, raised portion of the hood, roof. All the trim was either completely refinished as well. Mirrors, belt moldings, handles, roof rack up top. If it wasn't replaced with new parts, we refinished it. Absolutely gorgeous moss green pearl paint. Like I said, make sure to check out our website for a full description of everything that was done and when it was done. The sound system, full Alpine, Rockford Fallskate, all that was just recently added in the last few weeks as well. We have a ton of things upgraded, rear disc brakes on it, Fox suspension in the back. All the suspension is essentially brand new on it, less than probably, I think at this point, 400 or 500 miles. Beautiful, beautiful paint on it. We repainted, I'm pretty sure we did a full repaint on this at the first stage of us building it. But like I said, all that will be on the website. Very rare opportunity to buy a turnkey, ready to go Jeep. We've been building that for a client. It's probably a year and a half into the works. That one's been probably, I don't know, close to a year and a half, 2 years. That one's been closer to 2.5 years. The Calvary one is wrapped up. That's been probably 2 years. This FJ80 we've been working on, plus everything else that we have. There is a chassis to it right there. So to buy a Jeep from us turnkey, ready to go, without the 2 or 3 year waiting list is a great opportunity as well. By request of the previous owner, we installed these covers. The original material, factory cloth with the vinyl sides, is in absolutely flawless condition. I prefer the factory exposed material just because it looks better than this, but if you get a glimpse of it, just so you can see the pattern, it's that material right there. Let me zoom in on that. It's literally the vinyl, the piping, everything is truly perfect on that. Alpine sound system was just installed a few weeks ago. We also have a brand new alarm system, both keys, both remotes. That was just done as well. Title in hand, ready to go. The entire drive line has been upgraded. It's got a slip yoke eliminator, upgraded drive shaft. Come on, iPhone, get focused. paint is just absolutely gorgeous. Carpet's in great condition. Brand new alarm, new Alpine system, Rockford Fosgate with the integrated amp, new headliner, new speakers throughout. The trim is in really good condition. We do have a full-size spare wheel and tire ready to go as well. Those are just creases from the covers being in a box. If you want to maintain those covers on here, we can put some steam on them to get those wrinkles out, but that's just from them being in a box. But the seats underneath, they are absolutely 100% flawless. They're in great condition, and that's why the previous owner wanted to install these, is to maintain that. All the door panels in great condition. The only thing to nitpick on this entire interior is the steering wheel has a little bit of wear. We do our own custom steering wheels, everything from factory sort of leather material to different types of options. This one here, obviously we went with a plaid. This is all leather, it's not dyed, it's full leather package that we're doing. But we did a double split material on this. This sort of gives you an idea of the chaos on our Jeeps with the level of build that we do with them. But nonetheless, that's more of a custom steering wheel. If this guy is unlocked, we just wrapped up this steering wheel. That's a more basic, just very clean leather. We can do any stitch, we can do any color, but this coordinates with the leather seats, obviously. This one's getting ready to get shipped out in a week or so. So really on the interior, it's just that steering wheel. It's the only thing that's sort of notable. Everything else is in beautiful condition. So I said 65 earlier, it's 68,000 miles on the original chassis, but like I said, most of the stuff has been replaced, upgraded. Make sure, once again, check out our website for a full spec sheet. We have ARB front and rear diff covers, tons of stuff underneath this Jeep: tie rod ball, track bar, pitman arm, adjustable control arms, new leaf springs, exhaust, new high catalytic converter, just a ton of work like always. So just make sure to check out the spec sheet on our website at davisautosports.com. Thank you.